ಶರಣೋ ಶರಣೋ ಶರಣೋ. ಊರಿಗೊಂದೊಂದು ಕೆರೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಮೇಲೊಂದು ಹತ್ತಿಯ ಮರ ನೆಟ್ಟ. ಊರೂರಿಗೊಂದೊಂದು ಕೆರೆ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಮೇಲೊಂದು ಹತ್ತಿಯ ಮರ ನೆಟ್ಟ. ಆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಶರಣು, ಅವರು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಶರಣು. ಆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಶರಣು, ಅವರು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಶರಣು. ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಶರಣೋ 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 ಶರಣಯ್ಯ ಶರಣೋ ಶರಣೋ ಶರಣೋ.
This is Basavanahalli Tank of Madugiri Taluk in Tumkur district. The credit for rejuvenating this tank should go to the women folk of the village. Water from the catchment area could not be harnessed because of silting in the tank, weeds and other problems. The women groups of the village came under the umbrella of Jalasamvardhane Yojana Sangha through the Karnataka community-based tank management project and rejuvenated this tank.
Basanadi is one of the small village. It is 2 kilometers from the Madugiri. At the time of the PRA, along with community, we identify the problems in catchment, tank bed, bend and command area. After we made a plan for each component, before project intervention, tank bend width is very less and more jungle is grown in the feeder canal and main canal. We addressed the problems with the top priority and we constructed the SSM lining, BS slab lining and regulator fixing and sluice and cistern construction also. And we have removed 5,000 cubic meters silt. By using this silt, the farmers is get more yield also. The ITDP cost is about 7 lakhs. And then the all civil works carried out under supervision of Women's Executive Committee. Basanalli is a small village in Madugiri Taluk, which is just adjacent and is nearby to Madugiri. Here, this tank is taken up for development under JSYS. Initially, it was not done because of so many reasons, and finally, women's folks have come forward to take up this tank, and really they have done a marvelous job because men would not form a committee, and then women's they came forward and taken up this work, and really appreciably they have done the work, and even the quality of the civil work is also very good, which you can see.
ನಮಗೆ ಜಲಸಂವರ್ಧನೆ ಯೋಜನೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆರೆನೂ ಸಹ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
One day, officials of Jala Samvardhana Yojana Sangha came to our village. They told that they will give money if we improve the tanks of our village. Our men folk agreed initially, formed a committee for that purpose, but soon they failed due to their internal fights. So we have decided to take the work. We have formed a committee called Sri Anjaneya Swami Tank Development Group, consisting of 19 women members. We requested the officers to give the work to us, so we received 7,76,000 rupees from JSYS and started improving our tank. We have repaired our tank, constructed check dams, dug small channels. 5,000 cubic meters of desilting work was done by us. We were surprised to see that water level has increased a lot in the tank. For the last 25 years, we could not harvest single crop, but after the help of JSYS, we are able to take 2 crops in a year easily.
ಯೋಜನೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಕೆರೆ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 2 ಬೆಳೆನ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ದಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯಿತು.
ಕೆರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮದು 1-2 ಎಕರೆ ಜಮೀನಿದೆ. ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಗಿ ಭತ್ತ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದು
We have 2 acres of land. We grow ragi and paddy. We have 1 borewell. But in summer, there is no water in the borewell. All our crops dried. But after the tank is developed, our borewell has plenty of water and we take 2 crops in a year now.
ಸದಾಕಾಲ ನೀರಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ 2 ಬೆಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅನುಮಾನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು 2 ಬೆಳೆ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ.
ನಮಗೆ ಕೆರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಹೂಳು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಬೆಳೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ.
It was difficult to get even one crop in a year. There was no water even for 3 months. After developing the tank, we are growing 2 crops in a year. Our tank bund was weak earlier, but now, with the help of Sangha, we have repaired it.
ಬಾರಿ ಕೆರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Many visitors, including the World Bank, the DC, and so many have visited, and they appreciated the quality of the work done by and monitored by women folk. And one more special thing here is, and here is on Talapurige, which is, it is a water spring, and that we could not do in JSYS very properly. So I intervened, and with the help of the CEO ZP Tumkur, and she sanctioned around 5 lakhs for the regeneration of Talapurige, that is a water spring.
ನಾವು ಸಹ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಬಂದರೂ ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದವರೇ.
Earlier, we had no confidence in our group. We were afraid to talk to anybody. After the entry of JSYS, we are bold enough to talk to any top officials.
ಎಂತೆಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿರೆ ಅವರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡುವಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಭೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೇನು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ತಲಪುರಿಗೆ ಕೆರೆ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಲಪುರಿಗೇನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು.
What we can observe here is, along with the development of tank, people have improved Talapurige also. For the last 25 years, 2 crops were not harvested in a year, but now the villagers are able to take 2 crops in a year easily. We can see a lot of improvement in the socio-economic status also. Women were very shy to be seen in any public function earlier. They used to shift all the responsibilities on men. But after the entry of JSYS into the village, there is a tremendous change. Now, women are very bold and freely exchanging their views with the senior officials. Even the attitude of men also changed. Now they have realized that protecting water and tank is like protecting any other assets of the nation. The gents have come forward for the maintenance of tank. We are observing they are collecting some money for the repair and maintenance of tank. Thus we can see a all-round change in the village by the active participation of JSYS, thereby changing the socio-economic life of the villagers.
ಆ ಕೆರೆಗಳನ್ನು ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕೆರೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಣ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ರಿಪೇರಿಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಈ ಥರದ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ನಾವು ಆದಾಯ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೀಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ
We, the ladies of village, joined together and conducted a meeting. We decided to take even to generate income. Bank sanctioned us loan of rupees 1 lakh. Some of us purchased goats, buffaloes, etc. with the help of loan. I have purchased buffalo, but loan of rupees 3,300 was not sufficient to purchase buffalo. So I have invested rupees 13,000 from my savings to purchase buffaloes. I used to sell 5 liters of milk to dairy. I was getting rupees 60 by selling milk daily. Out of this, rupees 40 for my expense and rupees 20 towards repayment of loan. I was benefited by this.
ಇದರಿಂದಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾರಿ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗೈತೆ.
totally in Tumkur we have 351 tanks from 2002 to this time, but almost all the tanks are nearly on completion, and very shortly we are going to hand over all the tanks to the tank users group for the further maintenance. And in the next phase we have another 125 tanks to be done, that is in another 4 different taluks, that is Tiptur, Chiknayakanhalli, Gubbi and Tumkur. And in the earlier 4 taluks, that is Shira where we are right now, and Pavgad, and one more is Koratigere, Madhugiri. So these 4 taluks are already almost the works are under completion. So very shortly we will hand over these tanks to tank users group. This tank, Basanalli, is emerged as one of the model tank because of the quality of the work and their intervention and their enthusiasm changed this tank into a model tank, and many visitors from all over the state, even from the Hyderabad and from all other districts, they are coming and visiting this tank, and this is emerged as a model tank.
The overall development in the village is a shining example of the success of women power, their will and their single-mindedness to achieve the seemingly impossible. May this example of Basavanahalli inspire one and all.